Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. I have a lot of fails in this video, please bear with me. Today I will be using the Colourpop and Kathleenlights The Zodiac Palette, and I have her Lippy in What's Your Sign on my lips today. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Before anything else, hi, my name is Sahar and welcome to my channel. If you'd like to be part of the family, please subscribe. Click also the bell, the notification bell, to be uploaded, to be informed when I upload. So let's just get on to the tutorial. Here is the Zodiac palette. I will be doing another look with this. I did a first impression / review on this palette already, and I will be linking that video down below. This time I really want to try something different, and I'm going to be playing with the Pisces and the Aries today, and I'm so excited. We're going in with the Taurus, which is basically, for me, it's the most transition-y shade of all the shades here for my skin tone, and I think it's also a transition shade for a lot of skin tones. It's a beautiful transition shade, very warm, and I really like it. It's almost verging to orange, I find. Next, I'm not really going to be cutting the crease, but I will be laying out a base so that the colors will pop more. I'll just be filling the whole of my eye with concealer. You can also use a white base. So I went ahead and put concealer all over my lid, and I'm just stopping right above my crease, just right above my crease, just to make the colors pop a little bit more, because I will be using the Aquarius, which kind of really needs some assistance in order for that color to pop. The color in the pan doesn't really show up the same when you put it on your eyes, so it's really best to lay down like a white base or a concealer that's really light. I'm using Colourpop No Filter Concealer in their old light neutral color. I don't know what the name is now, the new name is. So another trick is you just open your eyes, and then that's what you follow. That's the trace that you follow, and just fill your whole lid with the concealer. This is not a cut crease, it's just gonna be a base for the colors, so you don't really have to have a very sharp line from that transition shade. So we're gonna go in with a packing brush, or I like to go in, this is one of my favorite brushes. There's no brand, I don't know where I got this. I don't know if this is Zoeva or anything, but I love this brush so much. So I'm gonna go in really hardcore in that Aquarius shade, like really dipping my brush in there, getting as much pigment as I can, and I'm gonna be packing that all over my lid. I did a good job. I'm happy with it. Yeah, so the next lid, I'm going to be doing the same, just packing as much product as I can on the lid. You notice there's not much fallout. Actually, there's no fallout at all. That's because the pigment is sticking to the concealer really nicely, even if I'm packing like super much, and I'm very careful with it. So just be careful when packing pigments or colors on your eyelid, and always make sure that your base is a little tacky, so it's gonna be really easy, and it's gonna be less of a mess. Just pack until you get the coverage that you like. I'm gonna be taking a crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with a Taurus again, and I'm just gonna be blending that harsh line. Okay, so this is gonna get a little complicated because I decided to make a wing liner with one of the colors. So I'm going to be taking my brush that I used for the concealer, and I'm going to be making my wing right now. Yeah, so wish me luck. That was okay. Now to the other side. We all know it's all about the evenness. Gosh, this is the hardest part to me. Doing the first wing is always gonna be easy. The second wing is the hard part. Like, how do you keep it even? Okay, so the wing is in. I'm going to be filling that in. I'll just use the same brush, that's okay. I'm going to be filling that in with the color Vallejo. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm done. Whew. Okay, now I'm just going to clean up any of that at the side. So I'll be taking my concealer again. I have some excess on my hand still, so I'll be taking it on this MAC, I don't know, 191 brush. I think this is great for cleaning up concealer spills, wing spills, because it's just the right size. And then I'll just be blending any of that into my skin. So it's like really dramatic, you can really see it. I'm sorry, somebody's hammering, can you hear that? I don't know why they're hammering. So now we're gonna go in with the bottom of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the color Aquarius, no, the Aries. And I'll just be smoking out my eyes, the bottom part of my eyes. I do not have any energy today, I'm so sorry. Usually my videos are like so, yay, but now I'm just like, I need coffee. I just drank coffee, but I need more coffee. You know how sometimes you're happy that you're sick? Because it gives you a reason to stay in and just rest. I'm going to take the color the Pisces, which is that really beautiful bright color, and I'm going to take it on a pencil brush, and I'm going to be doing, that's going to be my inner corner highlight. Honestly, I did not know if this look would work, but it seems to be doing okay. Just for fun, I'm also going to be doing a little bit of Pisces here at the ends. Just for fun. You don't have to do this, but I really want to see how it looks like. Next, just using the same brush, we're going to go in with the color the Gemini, and we're just going to put a little bit of that in the very center of my inner corner. Just as like another added inner corner highlight. That's what we're going to use to highlight underneath the brow bone. I'm just going to be putting in some Lashes mascara, and I'm going to change my top because my top does not match at all anything in my face. Then I'll be right back. I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. I have a review swatch video on this. I will be linking that down below. I'm taking my limited edition highlighter in Galactic. I'll be taking my favorite highlighter brush. It's actually kind of small, but I'm looking for one that is just like this but a little bit bigger. But anyway, it's my favorite at the moment. Look at that! This highlighter is only for those who are into glitter and shine and glitter and shine. This is a very, very beautiful highlighter. The only thing with this is, you know what? Watch my review down below and you'll know. Yes. I wanted to line my lashes, no, I wanted to line my winged liner, the glittery one, with black liquid liner, but I did not have any black liquid liner with me, so I'm going to have to pick some up. But if you can line it to make it look more intense. You know what, why don't I just try that? So I don't have any liquid liner with me in pen form, so I'm going to be using my gel liner, the e.l.f. gel liner, which is just plain black, and I'm going to be trying my best to do this as clean as possible. If you have a liquid liner, I suggest you use that instead of this, unless you just think this is simpler for you. It's really preference based. So you can see I just lined the liner. I just lined that color that we used with black. Not filling them in, just lining them. You can skip this step if you want to, but I just think that this step just makes the look more sharp and more intense. So I completely ruined that part. So I highly suggest you doing this before you put on your lashes. My mistake. Actually, I was really keen on using liquid liner, but oh well. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using something really nice and nude. I'm going to be using her lipstick actually, because I want to see how her lipstick, you know, not performs, but how it goes with different kinds of looks using her palette. I have all of this with swatches in another video, which I will link down below. A dedicated video for her palette. I did have some Carmex on, but this is a cream finish, it's not a matte finish, so that's okay. I actually prefer this lip color with this eye look as opposed to my other eye look, the first eye look I did on the on the first video I did for this palette. This looks like it ties in more with everything. But yeah, I really like the look. I did not expect to like the look as much as I did. I honestly did not know what I was going into the first time I picked this palette up, and I was just like, I want to use that color and that color, but I don't know what to do. I actually really like it. If you can see the effect it does, the black liner just frames that Leo color, but again, I do suggest doing the black lining with a felt tipped liner or a liquid liner or a liner that you're used to do detailing instead of the cream that I used. And also do it before you put the lashes because it's so much easier. So yeah, I just like to give myself a hard time every single time. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please like this video and comment down below what you'd like to see next, or if you'd like to see more looks with this, if you'd like to see more weird looks, more like this looks, or more like everyday looks, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one, because yes, I will see you in my next one. Bye!